Hello, my dear students. Now, let's continue to talk about simplification, and we are to find out whether the two fractions are equal to each other or not. Let's look at the, for example, you see I have 8 here, 36 here, 20 here, 90 here. They are all different numbers. Are they equal fractions or not? We can only find that out once we simplify the fractions. So let's simplify this one first. 8 and 36. Common factor. Which number divides both of them? In fact, 4 is the one that divides both of them. That's the biggest number that divides both of them. But if you are not aware of that, let's simply start with 2. I can divide both of them by 2. So 8 divided by 2 will give me 4. 36 divided by 2 will give me 18. Once I have the both numbers, now I know I can divide both of them by 2 once again. So this will be not, I'm sorry, that will be 2, and let's change the color. That would be 2 divided by, that would be 9. So on the left, although I have 8 divided by 36, the lowest term, the simplest way to put this down is 2 divided by 9. So that's the left side. How about the right side? Now let's simplify that. I can divide both of them by 2. So that will give me 10. This will be 45. So now I'm going to divide 10. 10 is divisible by 2, but 45 is not divisible by 2. So maybe this is the simplest, lowest term. But let's just keep trying. I can divide both of them by 2. How about 3? 10 is not divisible by 3. That is divisible by 3, but not 10. So it's not 3. 4. No, I can divide both of them by 4. 5. Yes, I can divide both of them by 5. So this is divided by 5. You're going to have 2. That is divided by 5. You're going to have 9. So on the right, let's change that color to blue. On the right, I have 2 divided by 9. On the left, I also have 2 divided by 9. So these are the same fractions in different numbers, but they are equal. So I'm gonna clear everything what I have done, and I'm simply gonna put the equation sign here. So 8 divided by 36 and 20 divided by 90, they are equal to each other. How about the next question? Let's take a look at this one. Too simple. I can divide both of them by 2. So this will be 1. That will be 15. Will I have 1 divided by 15 here? So 3. Both of them are divisible by 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. And 45 divided by 3 is 15. Yes, they are equal. So have the equation sign here. Let's just keep going. Over here, I have 5 divided by 7. Uh, you can't put this in a simpler way. That's the lowest term already. 5 divided by 7. But let's just work on the other one. So I can divide both numbers by 5. Let's do that. 25 divided by 5 will give you 5. And 35 divided by 5 will give you 7. And voila! 5 divided by 7 equals 5 divided by 7. Now the last example, 5 divided by 25. You can divide both of them by 5. So this will be 1. That will be 5. 1 divided by 5, lowest term. And 1 divided by 10, that's the lowest term already. And they are not equal. So they are not equal. Not equal sign goes right there. And with the page 2, you're going to have that type of questions. Over here, we want to find out whether the both shapes have the same fraction or not. In order to do this, very first thing you need to do is write down the fraction. look at here. How many pieces we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 pieces here, and one of them is colored. 1 divided by 4. That's the fraction we have there. Over here, what we have, 2 of them are colored. 2 divided by 3, 4, 5, 6. There are a total of 6 pieces. Now is the question whether 2 divided by 4 equals 1 divided by 4 equals 2 divided by 6. That's the question. And this is not the simply lowest term, so I can put this in lowest term and divide both numbers by 2. This will be 1 divided by 3. So 1 divided by 3 and 1 divided by 4. Are they equal? They are not. That's the sign goes in the middle. Let's practice.